Good morning! If you've been watching my videos, you would know that I'm a female pilgrim traveling solo on the Camino Madrid. Along the way, I've seen many interesting and new things, and today was no exception. Not only did I see fish in the middle of nowhere, but I also toured the birthplace of Ponce de Leon. In the evening, from the safety of my bedroom, I watched a huge storm out my window. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of my walk on the Camino Madrid. It's Sunday morning and I am on my way to Santervás de Campos, and I have a little over 13 miles today, but I've come to not really trust the mileage that they report on the app that I'm using, because it seems like I'm always walking 1 or 2 miles more than what they actually say. So hopefully I'll be walking 13 miles, but realistically I'm bracing myself for more like 14 or 15. I guess it depends on how many wrong turns I've made, and I've already made one, so I've had to backtrack once already, but it wasn't very far. So most of my walking this morning is going to be through farmlands as well. The first part is supposed to be along this road, and I'm not a big fan of road walking, but at least it's cool, so the road's not hot, and hopefully sooner than later I'll get off this this asphalt here. Last night I had a hard time sleeping last night. I made the mistake of opening up my window, and my window opens up directly to a view of the church steeple, and the bells went off every hour on the hour, and twice. I don't know why they had to go off twice. So for instance, 11 o'clock there were 11 gongs, and then a few seconds later there were 11 more gongs. So it was kind of annoying. So about 1 o'clock, I finally mustered up the energy to close the window. And so I didn't get the greatest sleep last night, which is probably why I'm rolling out of bed. I rolled out of bed like half an hour later than I had wanted to this morning. But it's all good. It's not like, I have any other job than to just walk today. That's my only job. I don't have to do anything mentally, a mental task or anything like that. So yeah, it's Sunday. I am a little nervous that there won't be services for pilgrims in this little town that I'm going to, because it's Sunday. Things just happen to close on Sunday. Like, we're closed. So I have a lot of food actually, so I'll be fine, and water is fine. So we will see. Here's my beautiful view this morning. Well, I took a little break in a town called Cuenca de Campos, and I had some tea, and I got to talk to the locals a little bit in my very broken Spanish, but they were so sweet. They were nice. This is a really interesting statue that I'm standing in front of. I have no idea what it's all about, but it's really ornate. Let's see, I'll go this way. It's extremely ornate, and I've come to love these birds that just kind of swoop around, and they make this really high-pitched sort of chirping sound. I don't know what this is. Anyway, I might regret this little break later because, you know, it's already 8:30. But that was fun. I'm glad I did that. Incredible. What are bonsai plants doing in the middle of Spain? I also really love that many Spanish towns, if not everyone that I've been to, have a water faucet. They usually work like that one does. I love that. I just think that's amazing. Okay, so I made it to Santervás de Campos, and just like I thought, it wasn't 13 miles, it was 14 miles, but I survived. And I'm here with the person who is currently volunteering, the two people that are currently volunteering to do the albergue. I have Javier, sorry, so lo siento, and his father, Lorenzo. So, Javier, where are you from?
I'm from Segovia.
Segovia,
Yes.
It's a nice.
Have you been there, right?
Yes, it's very nice. Nice
Yes.
place to live.
Yes.
And Lorenzo, ¿de dónde eres?
Segovia.
Segovia. Okay.
We are from Segovia.
Yeah. And so, what brings you to Santervás de Campos?
A ver, lo explico primero en inglés y luego tú en español. Lo explico yo primero en inglés y luego en español. So we are doing some kind of volunteering here for 1 week. We are going to be the hosts of the albergue, and yeah, it's a nice idea. My dad was here a couple of years ago, and this year was going to do the same. And I came here to help him with the task that he's going to do, and help also with the people doing the translation to English to Spanish.
Oh, good. Have you had many peregrinos?
Uno. Di que tenemos un peregrino.
Sí, una peregrina, hoy.
Just
Hoy,
one.
just one. You today, and yesterday we have another one.
And Ramon.
Ramon, yes, it
yeah.
was Ramon, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, what is there to do in this area?
In this area, not that much. I mean, we need to go for a walk to the different village nearby, and relax.
Yeah.
That's the goal. I live in Madrid right now, and well, Madrid is a big city, big population, so you came here for relax.
Have you ever walked a Camino?
Yes, we did it once, but together from Leon to Santiago.
Oh, okay.
But my dad made a lot of caminos, different caminos. So, ¿cuántos caminos has hecho tú? 5 or 6, 5 or 7.
He doesn't
I don't
know.
know. He doesn't remember right now.
Good. Okay, muy bien, Okay, gracias.
You're welcome.
Can you ask her how long has she lived in Santervás?
¿Cuánto tiempo llevas viviendo en Santervás?
Me llamo Nuria y llevo aquí desde el 2001 viviendo. Mi marido es de aquí de Santervás. Tenemos 3 hijos. Él es agricultor y yo me ocupo de enseñar el museo y la iglesia. Además tenemos mucho paso de peregrinos del Camino de Santiago y estamos preparando un museo dedicado a Miguel de la Cuadra Salcedo y la ruta Quetzal. Estamos intentando tirar un poco de las visitas y de Ponce de Leon para luchar contra la despoblación. Aquí en invierno solo somos 60 personas.
Okay.
Tenemos el bar cerrado y estamos buscando una familia para que los peregrinos puedan comer, cenar ahí, y las visitas, los colegios que vienen niños.
Okay.
So she's living here since 2001, and she married Santiago, I think is your husband name, and he's from here, from Santervás. They have 3 children. They live here, and they are in charge of maintain the hostel in here, and also they are fighting the population that is currently hit in Spain and in this part of Spain, because there are only in winter time there is only 60 people living in here, and well, this is only one village, but most likely the other one is still in the same position.
Yeah.
The beauty of this place, they have this nice museum of Ponce de Leon. They have pilgrims during over the year, and they are taking good care of them, and they are fighting with these tools to try to make more people came to this village.
Oh.
They have a bar that is currently closed because nobody wants to take care of the bar. If someone wants to come here, and you will have a place to be, you'll be in charge of maintaining the bar, and it will be great for the pilgrims that came here to have a place that they can eat, they can have a beer and have a chat with the guys.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, what I thought would be a sleepy little day turned out to be a pretty good day. I got to see some very interesting things. I went and visited the Ponce de Leon Museum, which this particular town, Santervás de Campos, is the birthplace of Ponce de Leon. So they have a full museum in the basement of this albergue, and it's actually a nice little museum. For €3, they'll let you in, and you can just look around, and it's a sweet little museum. So I had a nice lunch today. I hung out with the hosts of this albergue, and they're great.
So if you have an opportunity to come and come to this town, I would definitely stay. I would definitely stay in this albergue. After I saw the museum, the lady in charge took me to see the church, and it's a sweet little church. I forget when she said it was built, but it's different than the other churches that I've seen. The construction, very interesting. What else? Right now, we are in the middle of a thunder and lightning storm, so that's exciting. And I've been told the weather should clear up, so tomorrow I am off to Sahagún, and then that'll be it for my Camino Madrid journey. From there, I will start walking to Santiago, and I'll be joining the people on the French route. So thanks again for following along. I'm just having a great time, and I'm looking forward to one last day on the Camino Madrid. All right, bye.